Hello everyone, this is Chanda. Say hello, Chanda.
Hi.
And Chanda, how did you hear about the office?
I actually heard about your office through my mother. She found you guys on the ad on Facebook.
And what conditions did you have that you needed to seek out care?
I had severe knee pain.
And what treatments were you getting at Lyceum Physical Medicine?
I was receiving trigger injections as well as chiropractor adjustments as well as eventually stem cell injections as well.
And how did you feel after your series of visits?
Wonderful. I feel like a new person. When I first came here, I could barely walk. I could barely stand. I was months away from having to have a knee replacement. And you guys pretty much saved my life as far as having to go through another surgery. I feel wonderful coming here, and I will suggest that everyone who's in any kind of pain come visit your office because you guys work miracles. So I would suggest to anyone who had any kind of physical pain to come and check out the free consultation and check them out for yourself. They're wonderful here. And I'm sure that the one thing that I really love about coming to the office is that they look at you as a whole person, number one. I think that that's very important. I've had years of going to doctors and they look at you as a different body part. I would have a knee pain, or I would have an ankle pain or a back pain. But here, they look at you as one whole person. And they really, truly, honestly are sincere about what they do and about helping you feel better. And so I would suggest everyone come down and check out the office and come for the consultation and see for yourself. It's a wonderful place to come.